Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 Vlog. I hope you guys all doing well. So for today's vlog guys, I would like to share to you on how to test safety valve of main air reservoir. So normally this test has to be done in every 5 years interval during the attendance of Classification Society inspector. So in any case that you have to test it, if it's coming out in your PNS, then we have to test it. As a chief engineer guys, we have to test it because this is very important to test, that we have to ensure that this safety valve at any case must have to activate at any case guys. So my procedure guys, I will share to you on how I did on testing safety valve. I have lots of video, I have lots of vlog before on how to test on boiler safety valve. You can find it in my vlogs guys. So in this case, this time I test the safety valve using the pressure regulator guys. I have to, for safety reason, I have to ensure that safety valve activates by pressure regulator before the actual testing using the main air compressor to press up our air bottle guys. So I have to ensure, for safety reason, that safety valve activates first using the pressure regulator. The activation point of a safety valve is 2.69 megapascal. So eventually we have to use the higher range of pressure regulators. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step how to activate the safety valve from pressure regulator and from actual testing guys. So let's go, come on.
So here we are now guys at the workshop, and we are ready to test the safety valve. And as you can see, this is the pressure regulator that we are going to use, and now we are start pumping the pressure regulator guys. So the important thing here is we must ensure that no any leakages in the pressure regulator, all the parts, the pressure hose and the regulator itself, that there is no any leakages guys. Otherwise it will take time to pump to pressurize the safety valve. So we must be patient in pumping here to press up. So the opening pressure of the safety valve is 2.69 megapascal. So we should use higher range of the pressure regulator so that we can activate the safety valve. As you can see guys, the pressure is slowly increasing, and we put this in the water so that we can see the actual opening. We submerge into water guys, just watch and see. Now it's almost the opening pressure. As you can see guys, that's the opening of the safety valve. That's the indication that the safety valve is activated by 2.69 megapascal. So that's how simple to test the safety valve guys. So right now we installed the safety valve into the main air reservoir, and we are ready to test by actual guys, by pressure of the compressor. We have, so when testing the safety valve in actual guys, so we fill up to 2.69 megapascal, and as you can see guys, I closed the auto stop pressure switch and drain the pressure switch and open. We have no any pressure, so that the auto stop will be bypassed and the compressor will be running manually, and we will stop only when the pressure is at the 2.69 or when the safety valve activated. So that's the procedure guys. Everything is open. We must be sure that everything is open, then we can proceed now. Start compressor, start. Now start, and let's see, compressor is running now, pressure rises, and we will press up this main air reservoir number 1. Yes, the number 1 reservoir. So we will wait until the pressure is at the 2.69 and just watch and see, guys, if the safety valve activated. So for safety reason, we check first using the pressure regulator, guys, and before checking it by actual testing by compressor, guys. So that's how I test the safety valve. So right now, guys, we are waiting to activate the safety valve, guys. At this moment, the compressor is still running and the pressure of the reservoir is still rising, increasing, guys. So just watch and see. It will activate. So that's the activation of safety valve, guys. I hope you learned something about this video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this JVT clip. Bye.